How to change phone number on Amazon Prime Video. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can change your phone number on Amazon Prime Video, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, in order to change your phone number on Amazon Prime Video, all you have to do is go ahead, and then doesn't matter whether it is Prime Video or Prime Music or Amazon, because you have to change the Amazon phone number on the main Amazon account itself. So it doesn't matter whether you're trying to do for Prime Video, because the changes will also reflect there. So you can open up Amazon app first, go to this account center from here, then go to your account button. Once you go to your account, then just go to this option called account settings and go to login and security. Once you go to login and security, here you can see primary mobile number, so you can just tap on the edit option there. Once you tap on edit or add option, you will be able to change your phone number on Amazon and across all the Amazon services including Prime. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.